PowerPoint tip of the day. When you're giving a PowerPoint presentation, my recommendation is start with a completely blank slide, preferably with black on it so that nothing is showing. When you speak, you want people to realize you are the expert, you are the authority, you can speak to them directly. The slides are just an extra. It's just an enhancement. You should talk for at least a minute before the first slide shows up. So you don't need your name and the title and the date and all that stuff. Nothing on the slide for your first slide. You need to establish your legitimacy, your authority with the audience before the first slide is shown. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively, whether they're using PowerPoint or speaking to the media. If you want more tips and information on how to do that, I'm happy to give you my books for free. Just go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. You can also learn information about upcoming public speaking workshops and online training as well. Thanks.